Ever wondered where your Google Drive files are stored? Imagine owning a house versus renting an apartment. In the same way, instead of owning big, expensive servers, you can rent computing resources from the cloud. It's like having access to a powerful computer without the hassle of maintaining it. When you upload a file to Google Drive, it travels through the cloud and is stored in Google's data center. You can then access this file remotely anytime, from anywhere in the world. It's that simple. When it comes to cloud services, there are three main types to consider. Infrastructure as a Service, or IaaS, provides virtualized computing resources over the internet. Think of it like renting a virtual server. Companies like Compute Engine use IaaS to deliver scalable computing power. Platform as a Service, or PaaS, offers a framework for developers to build upon. It includes everything from servers and storage to networking and databases. Google App Engine is a great example of a PaaS, providing a managed environment for application development. And finally, Software as a Service, or SaaS, delivers software applications over the internet on a subscription basis. Services like Gmail fall under this category, allowing users to access software without worrying about infrastructure. So, why should businesses consider using cloud computing? Well, there are several compelling reasons. Scalability is one of the biggest advantages. Cloud services can easily scale up or down based on demand, ensuring you only pay for what you use. Cost savings are another major benefit. By moving to the cloud, businesses can reduce the need for expensive hardware and maintenance costs. Security is also a key factor. Cloud providers invest heavily in securing their infrastructure, often offering better security than many companies can achieve on their own. And let's not forget global access. With cloud computing, your data and applications are accessible from anywhere in the world, making it easier to collaborate and work remotely. Now let's compare the three major players in the cloud computing market: Google Cloud Platform, Amazon Web Services, and Microsoft Azure. Amazon Web Services, or AWS, is known for its wide range of services and global reach. It's a popular choice for businesses of all sizes. Microsoft Azure stands out with its strong integration with Microsoft products and services, making it a go-to for enterprises already using Microsoft tools. Google Cloud Platform, or GCP, excels in areas like artificial intelligence and data analytics. Its advanced AI capabilities and powerful data tools make it an attractive option for businesses looking to leverage data-driven insights. In conclusion, cloud computing offers a range of benefits, from scalability and cost savings to enhanced security and global access. Whether you choose IaaS, PaaS, or SaaS, there's a cloud service model to fit your needs. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights, and check out our next video on how to get $300 free on GCP. See you next time.